welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Melanie. I'm a financial analyst and I do videos on side hustles, entrepreneurship, passive income, and all things money. So let's get into the video. And today we're going to talk about, can you actually get paid to go to sleep? And the answer is yes. So I researched a couple of companies that will pay you to take a nap or to go to sleep, and let's get into the video. Number one is sleepassociation.org. This company specializes in sleep studies. So right now they're doing a sleep study on insomnia. So if you have insomnia, definitely go to their website, apply to do a sleep study, and their payments vary per area and which study they're doing. So I'll give you a screenshot right here. This is how the website looks. And you fill out your profile and you will be able to do a sleep study and get paid. Moving right along to number two, this is kind of interesting because it's not just something that you would do for a sleep study, but this kind of opens it up to a lot more people. And number two is called eachnight.com. So what this company does is they need reviewers for mattresses. So they're calling the position nap reviewers, and they need you for 30 days to review a mattress. So they'll send you a mattress, you sleep on it for 30 days, and then you review how well the mattress or how well you slept on the mattress. So on their website, it says, over the course of 30 days, our dedicated nappers will be required to take part in a variety of experiments testing out theories such as the best nap duration for feeling refreshed, the effects of napping and overall levels of fatigue, and the effects of napping on memory, motivation, and productivity. The individuals will be required to take part in a video call before and after each experiment to ensure they understand their task fully, and to complete the verbal questionnaire detailing their experience and results. In return for their participation, each nap reviewer will receive a payment of $1,500 at the end of their testing period. This is really cool because you're gonna go to sleep anyway, so why not make $1,500 in a month for just going to sleep and then reviewing how well you slept and how well the mattress was. So if you like this and this seems like something that you want to do, go over to eachnight.com, fill out their profile, and apply for this, and they will send you a mattress and get you started. Number three is called FullSleep.com. So this is another website that does sleep studies. So they switch their topics of sleep studies throughout the months. So they could be talking about insomnia, they could be talking about nap duration, they could be talking about anything, but they are willing to pay you to be a part of the study. So here's a screenshot of their website now. I would go there, fill out their profile if you get selected. Then they'll pick for you which sleep study would work the best for you, and then you can go ahead and get started with that. Number four, I wouldn't think there would be a sleep payment job, but it was surprising when I did my research on it. Number four is a hotel mystery shopper. So in the hotel mystery shopping arena, what you're gonna be asked to do by the mystery company that's paying you is to spend a night in that hotel and review the hotel. You're also reviewing the bed and the room itself. You're reviewing everything. If this is something you're interested in, I will also put some links down in the description for the mystery shopping hotel gigs. And moving along to number five, flex jobs. So if you go into flex jobs and you type in mattress reviewer or mattress tester, some companies even call it a test engineer position. These are all companies that will pay you to go to sleep on whatever the mattress company is. So what's going on here is retailers and brands need somebody to review their mattresses so they can get reviews and put them on their website. And this would be your position. So a mattress reviewer on average makes about $39,000 a year. And you obviously can do this on top of your 9 to 5 because as a mattress reviewer, you would be getting the mattress and sleeping on it at night and then filling out all the review paperwork that it requires you to fill out in order to get paid. So this is a really good way to make an extra almost $40,000 a year when you're gonna go to sleep anyway. So I will put that link also down in the description, and it goes sporadically and these jobs go very quickly. So I would kind of save a pin on flex jobs on your computer and just remind yourself to try to go there every week to check if they have test engineers or mattress testing positions open. All right, number 6, this is my last one, and I left it for the last one because it seems a little shocking that this would even be a thing, but this is a TikTok live stream sleep. So what happens is you have a TikTok account and you turn your camera on and you go to sleep, and you set up like lights or sirens in your room. So every time somebody gives you a gift, one of those sirens or lights goes off, and then you wake up because of it. And then you just kind of turn everything off and then go right back to sleep. And then start over. Somebody else sends you a gift, turn it on, go back to sleep. At first I was like, this is not even real, but I saw it, it's on TikTok, it is real, and people are making money from these gifts. Each gift, however, does give you a different amount. Say for example, I'll put a few up on the screen and you can go through which one gives you this amount of points or that amount of points, and the points equate to dollars, and then you get paid that day. So the money is in your account that day when somebody sends you a gift. This is a little strange. I don't know why people are sending gifts to other people for going to sleep, but it's said that it makes people feel safe, and sometimes it's funny when you send a gift and somebody wakes up startled because of all the lights and the sirens and what have you. But if you're gonna go to sleep and you have a TikTok anyway, and this is something you wanna try, why don't you leave a comment down below and let me know if this is something that you would actually try, this TikTok live stream. And anybody can do this live stream. You only need about 1,000 followers to do a live stream like this. So if you have 1,000 followers on TikTok and you do go to sleep, then I would do this just for fun. So that is my video for today. I hope these tips helped you guys out, and you can actually earn money by going to sleep, which I thought that you couldn't, but now we know all of these jobs are available and all of these ways to earn money while you sleep are available. I'll put them all down in the description. Comment below and let me know which ones you're gonna try. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.